Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of dots in Microsoft Excel. And the different dots could mean different things. If we're talking about bullets, that'll be the first example that I cover. In the Excel sheet that I have open here in cell A1, I have 5 bullets. Bullets are basically font text, so we can just change that using the font color option here. And we can change that just like this. And there you go. Our dots have changed colors. So make sure you're in the Home tab and go right into here. You can also use Format as a way of changing different options. Then the other thing that I'll cover is if you're talking about the dotted lines that border cells, this is a border that's now implemented on these cells. You would select all the cells that you want to change, right-click, go to Format Cells, and we have the dotted line already selected. Down here is the color. You can select, let's make it the same color as our bullets. And then you would just click on the different lines that you want the color to be changed. Make sure that you do that option. You can also select all the outline and the inside if you want. Easy way to select everything. Click OK. And when we return to our sheet, you can see that the dotted line has changed. So those are different ways to change the color of the dots in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped. Thanks.